I don't know how to title this. For context, I'm in year 10 of British secondary school. I'm not pretty, so I'm insecure. At lunch breaks, I sit alone listening to music or reading a book. It's not about that. I'm a complete loner with no friends. There are about 4 people in my class that I talk to, but there are some girls in particular. I've known her for about a year. We talk to school and in a forum. She knows I sit alone and offered me to join her in a group of friends at a lunch break. I'm just not confident enough to go up and talk to her in the group of people. I don't know what I should do. Do I just mind my business in solitude daily, or should I make an effort to go over there? I know her well, and it's also, I don't know how to keep a good conversation. I figure even if I tried, I'd make it awkward, ended up sitting quietly in that group. Okay, so again, what do we need to do? You need to build yourself up first. That is the only way where you are going to develop your confidence. And I think another thing that you need to understand is that it is okay to be alone. It is okay to feel alone. I know a lot of times when we're on social media, we see so many people doing things, but I want you to understand that it's okay and it is human, it is normal to feel alone at times. What I want you to do is I want you to look at your life. I want you to pick a situation like you are where you have low self-confidence, and I want you to use that as an opportunity to grow stronger. I want you to use that as a tool to grow stronger, to get better in life. We need to stop walking around like we're broken glass in this world. We need to stop having low self-esteem. We need to stop feeling like we're a loser. We need to tell ourselves that we can do it. We need to tell ourselves that we are stronger than what anybody has to throw at us. We can get through anything in life. You can get through anything in life. You have the power to be whoever you want to be on this planet. You have to be able to be comfortable in your own skin. You have to be able to practice self-love. I need to tell you every single time you listen to this podcast that you can do anything that you want. You want friends, you want fame, you want inner peace. You can attain it all, but you have to go within yourself. You have to be able to be you have to be able to drive yourself towards that success. But you got to be able to love yourself first. You can't have fame, you can't have popularity, you cannot have confidence, you can't have inner peace if you are shattered on the inside. We need to stop walking around like we're a broken vase, we're a broken piece of glass, and when we offer ourselves to the world, we're just a bunch of shattered pieces. I want you to get to that point where you are confident in your own skin. You don't need anybody to tell you anything, and you are confident in yourself. You are 100% yourself, your authentic self. And let me tell you something else. Do not be one of those people who follow trends, who only do what's popular, because you are losing your own authenticity. You are losing your essence. You are losing what makes you powerful. If you decide to keep riding trends, keep doing the same thing that everybody else is doing, you are losing the things that are special about you. If you keep on doing that, I am telling you that you will only feel worse about yourself because you've sold yourself out for what's popular. You are good enough. You are good enough. I'm going to keep saying it. You are good enough. Stop telling yourself that you are not good enough. Stop telling yourself that you have low self-confidence. Stop telling yourself that you're waking up and you feel like a loser. Stop telling yourself that you hate yourself. Stop telling yourself that you're ugly, and start telling yourself that you can do it. And I'm confident and I'm beautiful, because you are. That's where self-confidence lies. I'm tired of hearing people say that they have low self-confidence. They're ugly. They have no self-worth. Pick yourself up. Stop being that broken glass. you're just a bunch of pieces of broken glass, and you try to offer it to somebody, they're not gonna grab it. If somebody walked up to you and had a handful of broken glass and say, "Hey, here, hold this," they wouldn't take it. But if you had a glass cup and you gave it to somebody, they hold it for you. Stop telling yourself, stop breaking yourself, stop pulling yourself down, and tell yourself that you can do it. Stop telling yourself that you can't do it. Please stop telling yourself. Build yourself up. You have to be able to find that gem inside you. You have to be able to find that beautiful soul of yours and unlock it. And once you be able to present that to the world, you are going to be able to do whatever you want. But you got to be able to go in here. You got to be able to dust off the rust and find yourself. Find that gem, what makes you special. Your flaws are what's going to make the world fall in love with you. Not if you just become everybody else. You're just going to become a copy. People who stand out in the crowds are the people who will be successful in life. So take that as a blessing. You are special. You don't fit in. Okay, that means that you're different. You're special. You take one part of your life and don't let it define you for the rest of your life. Use that time to build yourself up. Because the people in school, you're not going to be surrounded by them forever. You're going to be within yourself forever. So don't let a bully, don't let low self-confidence take you out. You can be anything you want. I am telling you that. Be confident. Practice self-confidence. It's going to take a couple days. It's going to take a couple weeks, but you're slowly going to get better at it. Practice mindfulness. Go outside and walk with your head up. Do simple things like that. Go out there and tell yourself that you can do it. I want you to walk into your bathroom, look into the mirror, and repeat that I can do it. I am special. I am confident. I am not a loser. I am not my past. I am my future. That's how you practice self-love. That's how you build yourself up. You only find that through self-reflection, through meditation, through self-healing. I love you, and I want to see you do good. I want to see you do well in life. But that does not come from being alone. That does not come from being just harnessing all your insecurities. You can do it, and you're more powerful than you think. I love you, and I just want to make sure that you're okay.